everyone. Today we are here to study class 10 geography chapter 1 resource and development, and this is the last video to complete this particular chapter, and this is the last topic of the chapter, and the topic is soil erosion and soil conservation. Now when we are talking about the soil resources, likewise land resources, as we have seen that land is degraded because of so many reasons, soil also get degraded, which is called as soil erosion, which affects the fertility of land, which affects the growing plant capacity of a land. So when we are talking about the soil erosion and soil conservation, first we need to understand what is soil erosion. Soil erosion is the denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down is described as soil erosion. Now when we are talking about the soil erosion, we can say that the denudation of the soil cover, as we have seen that there are 4 layers of the soil. First one is top layer, second one is silty clay or small particles of rocks, third one is parent rocks, weathered parent rock, and fourth one is unweathered bad parent rock. Now when we are talking about the denudation of the soil cover, which means that because of many reasons which we will see afterwards, because of the many reasons or many causes, the layers of the soil get washed away. When the layers of the soil get washed away, it is called as denudation of the soil cover. The soil which is covering the land is washed away due to heavy rainfall, due to forceful flow of rivers. Because of these reasons, there is a denudation of the soil cover. There is the denudation of the soil layer on land, which affects the fertility of land or which washed away the fertility of soil from the land. And subsequent washing down of the soil cover is called as soil erosion. So soil erosion means when because of the heavy rainfall, when because of the fast flow of rivers, the soil was get washed away from the land surface, and when soil is washed away from the land surface, fertility of land gets decreased, which is called as soil erosion. As we say that soil is a renewable resource, but it takes hundreds of years to make one layer of soil. So it is very difficult to renew the soil, as it is renewable, but we cannot renew it very easily. That is why we need to conserve the soil. So once again I am repeating, soil erosion means the denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down of the soil cover is called as soil erosion. When there is a denudation of soil cover, or when there is a denudation of the layers of the soil from the land because of the rainfall or because of the fast flow of the rivers, the soil gets washed away from the land surface, which is called as soil erosion. Now when we are talking about the soil erosion, we will see that what are the causes of soil erosion. There are different causes. First one is deforestation. Now why deforestation is the cause of soil erosion? Because when rivers are flowing very fast, trees are supporting the soil to be there on land. If there are no trees, or if the land was plain with the trees, what happens when the river flows very fast? They take away soil from the land, which causes soil erosion. That is why deforestation is a main reason of soil erosion, because we are cutting down the forest, and as we are cutting down the forest, trees are getting less. And as trees are getting less, when rivers flow very fast, there are no support for the soil to be there on land, and soil gets washed away with the river flow and washed away with the rainfall, heavy rainfall, which causes soil erosion. Second one is overgrazing. Overgrazing is also a cause of soil erosion, because when animals like cattle, when animal husbandry is there, when cattle like goats, cows and buffaloes, when they go to grassland and they eat those grasses, when they're eating those grasses, they took away soil from, when they took away the grass from their mouth, they also taking out the soil from the land, which causes the soil erosion. Third one is construction and mining. When construction work is there and when mining activities are there, on that time we are digging out the land, and when we are digging out the land, on that time we are digging out the soil from the land, and when the work finished, they are not throwing those soil on the same land, so the land get or we can say that there is a land erosion because of the construction and mining activity, because they are digging out the soil from the land, which causes the soil erosion. And the last one is natural forces like wind and water. As I have told you, when there is a heavy rainfall or when rivers are flowing very fast, they took away soil from the land, which causes land erosion. Same way, when there is a high wind, when there is a faster winds also take soil from the land with them, which causes the land erosion. So we can see that there are four causes of soil erosion. First one is deforestation, second one is overgrazing, third one is construction and mining, and fourth one is natural forces like wind and water. Now, as we are talking about the soil erosion, we can say that when soil is getting away from the land's fertility is affected. Then the land becomes a bad land. Now, what is bad land? Bad land means due to soil erosion, the land is not capable to cultivate the crops. That means the fertility of land decreases, or the fertility of land gets eliminated due to soil erosion, which makes land as a bad land, which means it cannot be cultivated due to soil erosion. Next one is due to water flow, the top layer of the soil is washed away. As we have seen that due to denudation of soil, or due to denudation of soil cover layers, we have soil erosion. And this thing is happening because of the water flow. Because of the water flow, because of the heavy rains, maybe because of the heavy rains, or maybe because of the flow of rivers, the top layer of the soil gets washed away, which is called as sheet erosion. Because sheets of this, as we have seen that there are 4 sheets of soil, and when these sheets of soil get washed away because of the water, because of the heavy rainfall, it is called as sheet erosion. Now, one more cause of the soil erosion is wrong way of plugging. When farmers are plugging the land, many times it happens they plug the land on a very wrong way, which makes soil vanish from the land, which makes a soil erosion, and which decrease the fertility of those lands. Now, when we are talking about the soil erosion, measures can be taken to solve this problem. Now, in India, what measures have been taken to solve this problem of soil erosion? First one is well-developed terrace farming. There is a terrace farming. Terrace farming means instead of growing crops on land, there was a terrace farming. People grow crops on their home on a terrace, which is called as terrace farming. Next one is field can be divided into strips. We can divide the field into strips so that water can flow from those strips and they will not affect the land fertility or the field which farmers are cultivating. So it is a method, it is a very good method through which we can conserve the soil, or through which we can preserve the soil or decrease the soil erosion. Strips can be made on a field on which cultivation was there, and those strips are helping water to flow easily, not harming the soil on the land. Break up the force of wind. It also breaks up the force of wind. When we make strips on field, it breaks up the wind. And when it breaks up the winds, there is no soil erosion. And the last one is rows of trees called as shelter belt. Many trees have been grown so that when waters are flowing, they will not take away soil from the land, which is called as shelter belt. Once again, I am repeating. In this video, we have seen soil erosion and soil conservation. We have seen the causes of soil erosion and measures to conserve the soil. So with this particular video, we have completed the first chapter, resource and development. Thank you.